Hello there, YouTube. Well, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to actually skin your Visual Basic project to be looking something pretty awesome like I have here. This is a skin version, like it isn't a normal window like you would have for any other thing. Like if I run any kind of software I have, it's gonna show up in a normal window, but this is a skin window with a personal icon and all this made up in Visual Basic. So to actually get to this level, you will actually need VB Skin at 2.1. I mean, well, 2.1. And after you have it, just want you to install it. This is gonna be the normal procedure, and the, the link to it would be in the description, obviously. So just give it a double click, and it should have already installed. Good. So the next step I want you to is to get to your project, and in my case I'm gonna do a new project to show you from start the main step behind it. Getting you just confused, so just go to create a standard.exe. Under create a standard.exe, I'm just change the caption to maybe skin. I guess that's for free, but unfortunately the component which is gonna be VB Skinner Pro 2 for VB6, remember, like right click on here and click components. So it's just that this component isn't free. Just to add this one here, you just need to right click components, select it here and click OK, just to tell you that this isn't free. And the main reason behind it, because it's pretty awesome, the software by itself, so you will actually need to buy it. But just to help you guys, in the description you'll have the license to it. Remember, this is gonna work only for version 2.1. In the description I'm gonna give you the license keys. Just copy paste it here, and then you should be licensed to this BTW group. Good. Now that this is done, just want you to select this part of it, click on all forms, and in all forms I want you to copy the code you have here, which is going to be Skinner1. Just copy it to clipboard using this command button, click on close, select this free space you have here, double click, it should already have probably form load. Just paste it right in between the private sub and the end sub. After that, just close it. Upon closing, just select back our little component. You just go to skin picture, click on the three dot here, you go to your installation folder where you've installed VB Skin 2 Pro. So there you go, have it here. After you've clicked on it, just go to samples, very easy. Click on skins, and under skin you want to put it as thumbnails and try to look for skin that suits you. So in my specific case, I'm gonna use a skin like this. I'm gonna use a silver skin. Here we go. Click on open. It's not gonna appear here. It's only after I run the project or I compile it that it will be visible. The next step I want you to do is to actually choose between your preferences. I actually like my windows not to be fixed, not sizeable, so that users cannot size it like they would want to. Okay, very next step, select back here, select this form again, and go under icon. And under icon, I want you to find a cool icon you have. Icons are freely downloadable from the internet. Just find a cool icon that would suit your project and select it, and it should be appearing here. After it appears here, another next step is to select back the component, click on properties, and put this change skin button to false. Why put it to false is after you've started the project, you're gonna have this small stuff here allowing you to change skin, but we don't want that. We want it to have a permanent skin, so that's why we put it to false, and we've selected a predefined skin in here. So now that this is done, The very next step to do is to actually carry on with your project, because you've already done all the steps you needed to. You can add your label, you can add your text box, you can add your command button, you can add your option box, you can add your checkbox, your privacy selector, your file list. I'm just gonna add all those at the timer just to show you how it's gonna appear. So after I did all this, I'm just gonna press on start and show you how it's gonna look after compilation. How is it, man? Just give me a suggestion if that looks okay. Okay, that's pretty much a start. It already has a really cool skin, and you've done it for free. The best part of it. So there we've got our project. I'm just gonna make the project now. I'm gonna save it to, let me check something. Good. I'm gonna save it to Vibi skin. I'm gonna put in a random number with it, 468. Just note the number. I'm clicking OK now. It's writing the exe. I'm gonna minimize, and we're gonna have the project here, the compile executable here. Double click, and there we go. We've got it all here, and under a lead style skin. How would it be cool if we all had our own skin for each our project? And another thing I want to stress on is, let me just go back to the project. Right? Very easy. Properties. Close that. Find toggle. Close that one. Go to skin. I want you to know that those are bitmaps. You can right click on it, click edit, and it's gonna load your default paint software. Unloading your default paint software, you would see, you can notice that you can edit it by yourself. This is easy to do. So there's nothing really special about it here. You can edit it, create your own skin. That's all. Hope you have fun doing it, and hope I see you in the future. In the meantime, goodbye. And okay, just not for you to leave, I'm gonna leave you with 3 letters, which is gonna be SCR, meaning subscribe, comment, and rate. If you ever like this video, or if you ever have any suggestion, just don't want to see comments like, okay, this file has a virus, please don't copy paste it in here, it's gonna activate the virus. I don't know what you're gonna say, I don't know what people today is gonna put up just to annoy other people. Just, where's the point? If ever you have an antivirus software that's gonna scan a text file and it's gonna return that it's a virus that's gonna kill your PC, it's gonna kill you, and it's gonna sue you, what's the point? It's only when you have your own knowledge of what's a virus and what it does that you can actually come and say that this is gonna be a virus. But for now, just have a happy browsing on YouTube and Google. Bye.